Hi everyone, I'm Suman, your communicative English trainer, and welcome to my channel once again, the Phenomenal English, right? So thank you once again that my channel has just reached the mark of 100. I owe you on that, and just like that, just keep subscribing my channel, keep liking the videos, keep supporting me, right? I'm thankful to you guys right from the heart. Right, so you gotta tell me something. Do you feel that you still speak very bookish or childish kind of English? When you talk, it sounds so unnatural and robotic. So today, I'm gonna give you some tips to fix that one. I'm gonna give you today some basic hacks so that you can sound so very natural. Right? So how are you gonna do that? One of the basic things that I find often people saying that sounds so unnatural, that is how are you? Come on, it's 2K19. Who says that? Who says how are you? It's so bookish. Right? So I'm gonna give you some quick, hot tips that will make you sound more naturally. Instead of saying how are you can say how you doing. Just like one of the most famous character in a sitcom called Friends, Joey Tribbiani, you would say.
I don't even know how I would go about it.
Well, what I do is I look a woman up and down and I say, hey, how you doing?
Oh, please.
Hey, how you doing?
Like it, right? He says it all the time, right? It's so catchy, so amazing. Instead of saying how are you, you say how you doing, right? How you doing? Nextly, you can say, hey, what's going on? Right? Instead of saying how are you say what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Okay, you may say how are things, right? How are things? That's also you can say instead of saying how are you say how are things, right? How are things in life? You may say directly how's life, right? Instead of saying how are you say how is life. You can also say what's new, right? That's another catchy phrase that you can ask. What's new, right? So if you ask someone what's new, the people might think that you ask him what's new, right? What's the real thing about him, right? He might be interested in saying that. That's a way to strike an interesting conversation with someone. If you just say how are you, that person might say yeah I'm fine, right? This way you just can't go along with the conversation, right? So it's a better way to strike conversation and go along, right? That's how you do it. So you say how things, how's life, yeah, what's new. Then it comes the most common American phrase, that is what's up, right? Instead of saying how are you, you say what's up. So there's another popular saying, right? That very much within rhyme. That's what's good in the hood, right? What's good in the hood, right? It's pretty much in rhyming, right? There are other things that you can use instead of saying how are you. That are what are you up to and what have you been up to. What are you up to and what have you been up to? Those are pretty similar phrase, right? You can use them alternatively, right? So it makes it sound so natural, right? So do use it, guys, and rock it. Hi there, just hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it already and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the newly released videos at the soonest. There's a part 2 of this video, don't forget to watch that too. You can check out my Facebook page, that is the Phenomenal and the Phenomenal English. You can even follow me on Instagram, that is the phenomenalenglish.It. Alright, I'll be soon back with another engaging lesson. Till then, take care. Let's call it a day.